Death is not extinguishing the light, it is putting out the lamp. Because the eternal day, has dawned.
Nagbalik tanaw ang Kapuso Network sa mga magagandang alaala ng founding chairman ng GMA na si Attorney Gilberto M. Duavit Sr. kagabi. Naroon ang mga GMA board members, officers at iba pang kapuso.
In Christ Jesus.
You raise me up to more than I can be.
GMA Network stands on solid ground. It was built on a strong foundation.
Bibit kung tawagin ng mga malalapit sa kanya. Sa kanyang talumpati, sinariwa ni Attorney Felipe L. Gozon, chairman of the board at CEO ng GMA Network, ang pinagsamahan nila ni Duavit Sr. sa loob ng mahigit 50 taon.
Bibit, my good friend, farewell. Your passing will cause a void in all of us that cannot be filled up. All of us will sorely miss you. And this one, I have to say that as far as I know, during his stint in government, Bibit had never been accused of having committed any act involving corruption.
Kinatawa naman ni Mr. Joel Marcelo Jimenez ang kanyang ama na si dating GMA President Menardo Jimenez.
My father, MRJ, is the kuya of the GMA Triumvirate, which included GMD and FLG. MRJ and JRD shared a special bond, a brotherly love. They are brothers from two different mothers.
Bibit is a guy that you cannot say anything against him. He's a very humble, simple, caring, helpful, and always available if you have any problem.
Taus-puso naman ang pasasalamat ni GMA Network President and COO Gilberto Duavit Jr. at ng kanyang mga kapatid na sina Judith D. Vasquez, Congressman Jack Duavit at dating Congressman Joel Duavit.
Sa pagkakataong ito, maski siya'y pumanaw na, yumaon na, at ang aming mami na wala dito dahil meron siyang karamdaman. She is now undergoing chemotherapy, kung kaya't hindi siya pwedeng pumarito. At personal kayong pasalamatan ang aking mga kapatid, ang aming mga may bahay, kanyang mga apo. Sa ngalan po nilang lahat, ibig namin parating sa inyo ang aming pasasalamat on this behalf, on our behalf. Maraming salamat. Kami po lahat ay proud to be Kapuso.
Nakiramay rin sina dating Pangulong Noynoy Aquino, Senate President Tito Soto at iba pang dati at kasalukuyang opisyal ng gobyerno.
Napaka-professional na pangalagaan yung Appropriations Committee. Hindi kami magkapartido, hindi kami magkaalyado, pero wala akong masasabi kung paano niya pinalakad.
Lawyer, government official, congressman, but within the GMA family at pati na sa milyon-milyong mga kapuso, we know Attorney Gilberto Duavit Sr. as father to his junior JRD.
May His grace's blessings continue to flow on all of us.